Over the weekend, the Justice Department faced backlash after photos briefly posted on public webpage related to the Epstein case were suddenly taken down. Some critics quickly claimed the move was political, pointing to images that include President Donald Trump. But the Justice Department is now pushing back hard on that narrative. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche addressed the issue Sunday on NBC's Meet the Press, saying the removal of the photos had nothing to do with President Trump and everything to do with protecting victims. Blanche said the images were pulled after victim advocacy groups raised concerns about photographs that include women who could potentially be survivors. According to Blanche, once those concerns were flagged, the department acted immediately. He explained that the law governing the Epstein files does not just require disclosure. It also requires strict protection for victims' identities, including faces and details that could identify them. Blanche also rejected claims that the Justice Department missed a deadline set by Congress under the Epstein Files Transparency Act. He said the process is slow by design, involving hundreds of lawyers reviewing documents line by line to make sure victims are protected and legal standards are met. He pushed back on accusations that redactions were being made to avoid embarrassment, political fallout, or reputational damage. Blanche was clear, saying the only redaction being made are those required by law, including victim protection and other legal privilege. Addressing President Trump directly, Blanche said there is nothing being hidden. He noted that dozens of photos of Trump with Epstein have already been public for years, and that Trump has openly acknowledged knowing Epstein socially decades ago before cutting ties. Blanche called the claim that the DOJ is shielding the president a hoax, insisting that every mention and image of Trump in the files will be released with the same rules applied to everyone else. He also promised that removed images will be posted once proper redactions are made if necessary. The department, he said, does not always have perfect information at the moment of release, and adjustments are part of the process. As for lawmakers threatening contempt or impeachment over delays, Blanche dismissed those warnings outright, saying the Justice Department will continue releasing the remaining Epstein files over the next few weeks, fully complying with the law while protecting victims. This case remains politically charged, emotionally sensitive, and legally complex, and the debate over transparency versus responsibility is far from over. What is your thought? Write a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Morning America.